Good morning, students. Welcome to history class. Outbreak of the First World War and its aftermath only we are learning. Is it nearly 4 days over? I think so. Yes. So, before entering today's portion, already what are the things we learned? Yes, everything we can recollect once. Okay, children? Yes. Causes for the World War over. Is it? Causes for the World War over. Many causes we learned. Is it? So, course of the war also I had completed. Yes, the last class what we had learned in the sense results of the World War also we learned. So, this class what are the things we are going to discuss in the sense Russian Revolution. Okay, Russian Revolution and its impact only we are going to learn today. In the introduction itself, they are given many things. Okay, so they are given what are the things are given in the later. Everything they were given in the introduction itself. So we can we can get many ideas from this introduction itself. Okay, please listen carefully, children. Yes, what is given? The first line, the biggest outcome of the war. The biggest outcome of the First World War was the Russian Revolution, like that they are telling. Yes, Russian Revolution. So Russian Revolution, which year it was occurred? In the sense 1917 it was occurred. Yes, 1917 two revolutions were broke out. Yes, how many revolutions? Two revolutions were broke out. Yes, two revolutions were broke out in Russia. One was in March month. One was in March month. So next one was in one was in March month. Next one November month. Next one was in November month. Okay, so in that time, Tsar Nicholas II was abdicated. Tsar Nicholas II was abdicated. Abdicated, what is the meaning? In the sense, he renounced his throne. He renounced his throne. What is mean by renounced? In the sense, he gave up his throne. That is the renounced. Otherwise, that is the abdication meaning. Okay, yes. So here the Tsar Nicholas II was abdicated. After the abdication of Tsar Nicholas, who came into power? Yes, who came into power? Who, in the sense the bourgeois government? Yes, bourgeois government, in the sense they are the propertied class. Okay, the richest people. Okay, they came into power, but they wanted to continue in the war. Yes, they wanted to continue the First World War. The Russians, should participate in the war, like that they were thought. Okay, but Russians, what they thought, in the sense they were against that. Okay, they were against that idea. Okay, so at that time, who emerged in Russia? In the sense, who emerged? Lenin was emerged. Yes, at that time, who emerged? Lenin was the leader, under the guidance of the leader. Here, clearly it is given, Lenin was emerged and he seized the power, seized in the sense captured the power and established a communist government in Russia. Yes, what type of the government he established? Communist government in Russia. Yes, communist government he established. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, in the introduction itself, they were given clearly, children. Yes, what other things are given? In the sense, the biggest outcome of the First World War was the Russian Revolution. This is the first point. Okay, second, what is given? In the sense, the socio-political economic conditions were responsible for the Russian Revolution. Okay, Russian Revolution. Two revolutions were occurred in Russia. One was in March month, one was in November month, like that they are telling. Okay, then in the meanwhile, Tsar Nicholas, was abdicated his throne. After his abdication, who came into power? Bourgeois government. Bourgeois government came into power. Yes, the bourgeois government, what they wanted, in the sense, what they thought, they wanted to continue the war, like that, but the Russians, they were against that. This much only they were given in the introduction para. Moreover, that time, who emerged in Russia, who came into power? In the sense, Lenin captured the power. Yes, the communist party leader Lenin, he captured the power, seized the, like that one word is given, seized in the sense captured. Seized in the sense, what is the meaning? Captured. Okay, and established a communist government in Russia. The next, what is given in the sense, children, causes of the Russian Revolution. Many causes are there. So this personality, Lenin, is he was the communist party leader. Otherwise, he was the leader of the communist party. Otherwise, communist government in Russia. Okay, the next, what is given in the sense, causes of the revolution. Causes. Many causes are there. Under that, first cause, what is given, social cause. What are the social causes are responsible for the Russian Revolution? Okay, so that is given here. So in Russia, listen, children, in Russia, Peter the Great, okay, Peter the Great and Catherine, okay, the two people, Peter the Great and Catherine, what they did in the sense, Catherine II, Peter the Great and Catherine II, they were attempted in the sense they were followed. Okay, attempted in the sense, what is that? Followed westernization. Okay, Western policy. They were followed the Western policy, but without minding. Yes, they did not take care about the people's life. They are not at all doing anything. Okay, so they are without changing the social conditions, otherwise without checking the people's mind, they were followed the policy of westernization. The Russian peasants, yes, they were under the control of the Russian landlords. Okay, they were under the control of the Russian. This is the meaning. Okay, the meaning alone I am telling children. The Russian peasants, they were under the control of the Russian landlords. After the completion of the Crimean War, what happened in the sense? Some reforms were introduced in Russia. Yes, so in the year, one of the reform, it's given in your book, 1861. Yes, 1861. Tsar Alexander II, yes, he abolished serfdom. Serfdom in the sense, what is that, Serfdom in the sense, agricultural laborers. So who abolished serfdom in the sense? Alexander II. This is the one word answer. Yes, one word answer. 1861. Alexander II, Tsar Alexander II, he abolished serfdom. Serfdom in the sense agricultural laborers. And emancipated, what is the meaning? Liberated. Emancipated, what is the meaning? Liberated in the sense the workers, they got free. Yes, the agricultural laborers, they got freedom. Okay, freedom from the landlords, but they were not given enough land to subsist. What is the meaning in the sense? But the Russians, did not get enough land for their livelihood. That's the meaning. So these peasants only were responsible for the Russian revolution. Okay, so powder keg like that given, no? Powder keg in the sense these peasants only were responsible for the revolution. Okay, then on account of the industrialization, what happened in the sense? Whose numbers? Workers as well as the laborers numbers, had increased, and moreover they got very low wages only, low salaries only they got it. So this is the under the social causes, it is given in your book, children. In Russia, Peter the Great as well as Catherine II, these people, they are not at all checking the people's condition. They were followed the policy of, westernization. Yes, westernization. Then second point, what is given, the Russian peasants, they were under the control of Russian landlords. Okay, after the completion of the Crimean War, some reforms were introduced in the year 1861. It's very, very important, children. 1861. Yes, 1861. Tsar Alexander II abolished serfdom. Serfdom in the sense, what is that, Serfdom in the sense agricultural labors. Yes, agricultural labors. He abolished totally. He abolished. ஒழிக்கப்பட்டது. That is the meaning. Okay, and emancipated in the sense they got freedom. Okay, they got freedom, liberation. Okay, liberation. Yes, liberated the serfs. So these peasants in the sense farmers. Okay, these farmers were responsible for the revolution. Okay, that last what is given in the sense, on account of the industrialization, the laborers and workers, workers numbers were increased. Okay, and they got very low salary, low wages. Okay, the next para, what is given in the sense, the role of revolutionaries. Yes, role of revolutionaries. What is given in the role of revolutionaries, children? You can check it in your book. Page number, what is that in the sense? Page number 9. You can check it, children. Listen carefully. Role of revolutionaries. Okay, role of revolutionaries. What happened in the spread of revolutionary ideas among the knowledge to people? Knowledge to people in the sense, instead of that in your book, what is given in the sense? Intelligentsia, like that one word is given. Intelligentsia. The spread of revolutionary ideas among the intelligentsia, they were suppressed by the Tsar's government. Who were suppressed? Intelligentsia. Otherwise, knowledge to people, they were suppressed by the repression, like that one word is given. No? Repression, like that one word is given. No? This is the suppression meaning. Adakkapattanar, that is the meaning. Yes, suppressed. Okay, yes. So they were suppressed by the intelligentsia, otherwise knowledge to people, they were suppressed by the Tsar's government. It made the students, so who carried the propaganda, who carried the information in the sense? Students, Russian students, yes, in Russia, students started to carry their propaganda to the peasants. Their propaganda. Whose propaganda? Whose propaganda? The revolutionary ideas. Yes, among the intelligentsia. Their propaganda. Okay, students were carried their propaganda to the peasants. Propaganda, like that one word is given. Propaganda in the sense, what is that, what is the meaning? Information. Okay, so students started to carry the information to the peasants. Okay, then next, what is given, based on the Marxist philosophy. Okay, based on the Marxist philosophy is who was the leader in the sense? Karl Marx. Okay, Karl Marx. So based on the Marxist philosophy, new ideas emerged, began like that. It is given in your book. I am telling new ideas emerged. Okay, started or emerged. Okay, so that's what a social democratic labor party was formed. Okay, so which party was formed? A social and democratic labor party was formed. Okay, so this much only are given in this para. The next page I am telling children. So this person very well in Russia, the like social causes para I told, I think so, Peter the Great and Catherine. Okay, Peter the Great and Catherine. Okay, their child. Okay, the next this person only, Tsar Alexander II. Tsar Alexander II, just before I said 1861. Yes, 1861, what he did? 1861, what he did? He abolished the serfdom, like that I said. No, so this man, Tsar Alexander II. Yes, this man only emancipated serfs. Okay, emancipated serfs. He gave the freedom to the whom? To the laborers or agricultural workers. Okay, so that's the thing. The next personality, the next one, under the heading of autocracy of Tsar. What is mean by autocracy? Yes, what is mean by autocracy? Autocracy in the sense, what is that? Absolutism. Absolutism in the sense, one man army. That one man only has to rule over the country. Others, and he never ever hear others' ideas. That is absolutism. That is the autocracy. Okay, autocracy of the Tsar. Okay, Tsar Nicholas. Yes, photo you can check it, children. Yes, this person photo you can check it. Tsar Nicholas photo. Tsar Nicholas II. He belongs to which family? In the sense, like a story I am telling children. Yes, this man belongs to Romanov dynasty. Yes, Romanov dynasty. He had very little experience in the government functions. Okay, but at the same time, his wife, she was very popular. That lady name, Tsarina Alexandra. Yes, this lady she was a dominant personality. Yes, so Nicholas, what he did in the sense, he was under her control. Yes, control, strong influence, like that it's given. No, I am telling, under her control, like that. Yes, so what was the ambition? He has to, Tsar Nicholas, what was his ambition? He has to expand Russia. Okay, he has to expand the territories of Russia. That's what he encouraged, the Russian expansion in Manchuria. Yes, Manchuria belongs to Japan. Yes, Manchuria belongs to Japan. Moreover, this Russia, underestimated Japan. Okay, so that's what, which year, 1904. Yes, one war was occurred. Yes, what was the war in the sense? Russo-Japanese war. Russo-Japanese war. Which year it was occurred in the sense? 1904. 1904. But, who got a defeat in the sense? Russia got a defeat from the hands of small Japan. So, in the year 1905, yes, 1905, they were signed the treaty is a treaty of Portsmouth. It is not given in your book, children. You can note down this one. 1905, what happened in the sense? The treaty of Portsmouth was signed. Okay, as a result, Russians, defeated not. So that's what in Russia, strikes were there, riots were there, Hartal were there. Okay, Hartal in the sense they were closed the doors and then they were conducted the strikes. Okay, so on 22nd January, what happened? I am telling, 1905. Father Gabon. This person, he was a priest. He was a father. Okay, church father. He organized a march of men, women, and children towards the Tsar's Winter's Palace. They were conducted the march. March in the sense, what is the meaning? Procession, Urvalam. That is the meaning. Okay, yes, towards the Winter Palace, they were conducted the march or procession in Petersburg, St. Petersburg, demanded, what was the demand? They were asking the National Assembly. What does mean by National Assembly in the sense? Parliament. Okay, so they need a parliament as well as the agrarian in the sense agricultural as well as the industrial reforms. Okay, so they were asking agricultural as well as the industrial reforms. But police people, what they did, police people as well as the soldiers, they were fired on the procession. Okay, procession in the sense, just before only I said march, otherwise procession. Okay, Hundreds were killed, many of them wounded, yes, thousands of wounded, hundreds were killed. So this event in the history of Russia, it was called as a Bloody Sunday. Bloody Sunday. So it led to the riots in the sense a rebellion, strikes and violence everywhere. So Nicholas was forced to grant a constitution. Yes, Nicholas was forced by the people, was forced by the leaders, okay, so to grant a constitution and establish a parliament. Yes, Russian parliament was known as Duma. Russian parliament was known as Duma. Okay, so this was not satisfied by the left wing parties. This was no longer satisfied, like that it is given, children. I am telling, it's not satisfied. It was not satisfied by the left wing parties, consisted by left wing parties who are the leaders in the sense workers. Yes, workers. So it was that formed a Soviet left wing parties, that formed a Soviet means, what is the meaning? Council of workers, delegates in the sense members. Okay, so who was the leader in the sense? Who was the leader? Trotsky. Who was the leader? Trotsky. Students, once again I'm telling, it's very, very interesting. 22nd January, what happened? 1905, Father Gabon, he was a father. He was a church father, priest. Okay, so this person, he organized a march. Yes, he organized a procession. Yes, with the men, women and children, they were marched towards the Tsar's Winter Palace in St. Petersburg. And then they were demanded, yes, what are the things they were demanded? National Assembly they were demanded, yes, agrarian policy reforms or industrial reforms, agrarian reforms and industrial reforms, as well as the National Assembly. Yes, so for that only they conducted, otherwise they led a march towards the palace, Winter Palace. Okay, Tsar's Winter Palace. But police people as well as the soldiers, fired on the procession. Hundreds of them killed, thousands of them wounded, like that. This was known as Bloody Sunday. Yes, Bloody Sunday. Okay, so Nicholas, it led to the riots, it led to the strikes, it led to the violence in everywhere. Okay, so Nicholas was forced to grant a constitution and establish a parliament known as Duma. Yes, parliament, Russian parliament, namely Duma. Okay, so it was not liked by whom? In the sense left-wing parties. Left-wing parties that was formed by the, the council or Soviet, it has consisted. Okay, moreover, is who was the leader in the sense? Trotsky was the leader. Trotsky was the leader. Next, what is given in the sense, children? Opposition. Okay, opposition to Tsar. Okay, so many opposition, so many of them against the Tsar, and dissolution of Duma. Dissolution in the sense, what is the meaning? You know very well, dissolved. Okay, dissolved. Okay, salt is dissolved in the water, like that we learned in science and all, is it? So dissolution, what is the meaning? Yes, dissolved of Russian parliament. See, the outbreak of the World War when it was started, 1914 it was started. Is it 1914 it was started? 19 till 1918. Okay, 1918 is the outbreak of the First World War had temporarily strengthened the monarchical form of government. Yes, monarchical form of the government of Russia. Why they were supported? Why it was temporarily strengthened like that? They are given. Why? What is the reason? In the sense, Russia, had a friendship with the France and Britain. Okay, it was a ally in the sense, what is the meaning? Friendship. Russia allied to France and Britain. Russia had a friendship with the Britain and France during the time of the First World War. That's what it's temporarily strengthened the Russian monarchical form of government. Yes, that time what happened? There was a rumor. Okay, what was the rumor in the sense? There was a palace revolution. Palace all, the meaning is a palace revolution. Yes, revolution, like that, they were telling that was a rumor only. But Tsar Nicholas II, what he did in the sense, he made himself as the commander-in-chief. Already he was the Tsar. Okay, so he was the Tsar. He made himself as the commander-in-chief of the army. Okay, at the end of 1916, what happened in the sense, one personality, Rasputin, he was a famous person. He had the domination over the Tsar and Tsarina. Okay, Tsarina in the sense who? Tsarina in the Tsarina Alexandra, like that I told, no? Yes, Tsar Nicholas' wife. Okay, Tsar and Tsarina. Yes. So this person was Rasputin, he was murdered by the member of the Tsar's family. So that's what, whom were arrested in the sense, the members of the same Soviet or council, like that I said, left-wing parties. consisted Soviet or council like that. Just before I told, Trotsky, yes, a leader was a Trotsky like that. I said that people, everyone, they were arrested by the royal members. So whenever, this is very, very important, children, whenever Duma opposed the Tsar's actions, it was dissolved. Whenever the parliament was telling about the Tsar, so that time and all, they were dissolved the Duma, otherwise the parliament. Okay, so that's a thing. Then fresh elections were held. Okay, that's a thing. Then without changing the government policy, it's very, very important, children. Listen carefully. So without changing the government policy, the Duma ended. Fourth Duma ended. Which Duma? Fourth Duma, fourth time, fourth Duma ended with the revolution of 1917. Okay. The next, what is given in the sense, this person only, Rasputin. Okay, just before I said no. Yes, he had the domination over Tsar and Tsarina like that I said. Yes, he was killed by the, royal family member only. But who were arrested? Trotsky were arrested. This person, Rasputin. Okay, so the next one, this is the Duma. Okay, Duma in the sense, very well, just before I told, Russian parliament. Yes, Russian parliament, this one, Duma, you can check it, the rows, everything, it's given in the picture. Okay, children, yes. The next, what is given in the sense, children? Next one, this popular uprising. What is meant by popular uprising? What is the meaning of that popular? The people, they were started against the Tsar. Yes, among the people, a revolt was broke out. So that's the thing, popular uprisings. Very, very interesting, children. The bread shortages. What was the cause? What was the, important cause for the Russian Revolution in the sense, the bread shortages. Bread shortages among the women textile workers. The textile work in textile industries, many women were worked. Okay, so their husbands and all, where they were worked in the sense, they were in the army. Okay, they were in the army. See, many with the husbands in the army like that given. Their husbands and all, they were worked in army. So that time, these people, they were forced them to go on strike anyway and march through the factory areas. Okay, so for bread, they were conducted the what? Uprisings, revolt, okay, against the government. Okay, so where they went in the sense, where they, through that factory areas, they were conducted the march, otherwise procession. Okay, so the factory areas in the sense where it is, it was in Petrograd areas. Petrograd area, and this Petrograd is the, it was the Russian capital. Okay, so that time. So masses of women workers demanding, yes, what was the demand, bread for workers, that was the demand for the women. Okay, so waved their arms towards the factory workers, come out, stop the work, like that they were shouted. The women, they were shouted, that by seeing them, yes, by seeing the workers, they were telling, come out, stop work, need not work. And like that, they were shouted. So the cities, the Russian city, nearly Petrograd city, nearly 4 lakh workers joined the movement. The very next day itself, 24th February, yes, it was happened. Okay, 24th February, it was happened, 1916. Okay, so it was happened that time, the women workers, they were shouted towards the home. The factory workers, come out, stop the work, like that. Nearly 4 lakh people, they were joined in this movement. 4 lakh, not people, workers. Okay, workers, Russian workers joined in this movement. That is given in the popular uprising. Okay, so moreover, in your book, one picture also given, Revolution of 1917 picture it's given. Children, you can check it. So under the popular uprising, it is given. See, the people, they were conducted the revolution against the government. Mainly, the women only participated in that. And by checking this picture, you can understand that. Okay, yes. The next, what is given in the sense, abdication. Yes, abdication of Tsar. Yes, he was compelled by the railway workers. Okay, he was compelled. Tsar was compelled by the railway workers. What is given, in the initial stage? The government used the troops in the sense military. Okay, troops in the sense, what is that, children? Military. Yes, the government, used the troops to break the strike, to control the strike. But soon, mutiny in the sense, what is that? Revolt broke out in the barracks. Barracks in the sense military. Okay, with the help of the military, they thought with the help of the military we can control the strike. But unfortunately, what happened? The mutinies spreaded in the barracks also. Barracks in the sense that military people. Among the military people also, the revolution, started, the rebellion, started, revolt broke out, like that they are telling. The Tsar ordered a declaration of martial law, but this order was not broadcasted in the city because no one was there to do this job even. Okay, in favor of Tsar, no one was there to do that broadcasting job even. Okay, so the Tsar, then he tried to return Petrograd. Petrograd, this is Russian capital that time. Okay, the railway workers stopped his train. Yes, stopped his train. The generals, leaders in Petrograd, they were, pleaded, are frightened by these developments, pleaded with the Tsar to abdicate. They were pleaded, they were argued, they were, politely they were asking, requesting, please, Tsar, you have to abdicate your throne, like that. Okay, so on 15th March, Tsar Nicholas abdicated. Abdicated, what is the meaning? Abdicated in the sense, what is that? He renounced his throne. Renounced his throne. So that's the thing, children. Okay, the next, what is given in the sense, provisional government, like that para is given. It's very, very important. Provisional government para. Yes, in the provisional government para, what is given in the sense, there were two parallel bodies are there. Okay, the two parallel bodies were there. One was the bourgeois politicians. Okay, one was the bourgeois politicians. Two parallel bodies to take the government functions. One was the bourgeois politicians. Okay, it has consisted of the old state Duma. Duma in the sense, what is that? That's a parliament, Russian parliament. It has consisted privileged class, otherwise propertied class, richest people. Okay, rich people, everyone, they are in Duma. Yes, they are in the bourgeois politicians, not in the Duma, bourgeois politicians. On the other hand, workers were there. Okay, council are there. Otherwise, workers, delegates, members are there. Okay, the workers council or Soviet, like that it is given now. So here, the Duma was able to form a provincial government with the help. What is the meaning in the sense? With the consent of the, yes, with the willing, consent in the sense, virupam, willing. Okay, with the willing or consent of the Soviet or council, the Duma, old Duma formed a provisional government. Yes, by hearing the advice of council. Otherwise, by hearing the advice of the workers only, the old Duma formed a provisional government, like that it is given in your book. Okay, moreover, it has consisted, two. The Soviet was dominated by two people. The Soviet, otherwise council, it has consisted fully workers. Okay, so two groups are there. Who are they in the sense? Menshevik and Bolshevik. Menshevik and Bolshevik. Listen carefully, children. Menshevik and Bolshevik. Likewise, two people are there. Two sets of the people are there. One people, the majority, minority, like that they used to tell, no. Then in that, Bolshevik. Okay, Bolshevik members, they were timid. Timid, what is the meaning? They have no courage. Otherwise, we can tell lack of courage to speak anything against them, against the Tsar. Okay, so that's a meaning of timid. And moreover, undecided. What does mean by undecided in the sense? They couldn't take any steps even. They couldn't decide any, that they couldn't decide anything. So that's the meaning, undecided. Okay, they were dependent upon someone. Okay, so that's a thing. Okay, so they have no courage. So that's what they couldn't decide anything. Okay, so the Soviet has consisted Menshevik and Bolshevik. Here, Bolshevik members, they were timid and undecided. This situation, when it was changed, after the arrival of Lenin, the condition of Bolshevik, totally it was changed. Okay, so that is given. Okay, the next, what is given, children? Failure of the provisional government. Failure of the provisional government. Yes, what was the failure? Yes, this is the essay answer, children. It's very, carefully you have to listen, children. Then it's very, very interesting. Moreover, it's very, very interesting. This is the essay, this para and next para. Okay, question, you can check it. 6-3. Okay, 6-3, like that you can mark. Is first line onwards, you have to mark 6-3. I am going to explain this one, 6-3. Okay, 6-3 answer, children. From the Lenin onwards, you got to mark. Yes, Lenin was in Switzerland. Okay, Lenin was in Switzerland when the revolution broke out in Russia. Okay, When the revolution broke out in Russia, he was in Switzerland. Okay, so Lenin wanted to continue the revolution. Which revolution? Which revolution? Russian revolution has to continue like that, he thought. Okay, who? Lenin. Okay, so his slogan, what is that in the sense? His slogan, that all power to the Soviets. Okay, all power to the Soviet. Soviet in the sense, just before I said Soviet, otherwise council. It has consisted that laborers, workers. Okay, yes, so workers only. So it, it attracted this idea, this idea in the sense, whose idea? His slogan. Okay, all powers to the Soviet, like that he was telling now. So it attracted the working class people as well as the working class leaders also. Okay, here it is given, all power to the Soviet, soon won over the workers leaders. Workers as well as workers leaders also attracted by the slogan of Lenin. Okay, then so that time, Russians attracted by the slogan of bread, peace, land. Okay, the people, Russian people were attracted by the slogan of bread, peace and land. But the provisional government, made two grave mistakes. Two mistakes, they made. One was they were postponed. First one, what mistake they made in the sense, first one, they were postponed a decision on the demand for the redistribution of land. Redistribution of land. They have no land even. Russians, they have no land even. They did not get enough land for their livelihood. That was the main reason for the Russian Revolution. Okay, these people, they were after coming into the power even, they did not do that work. Okay, they did not distribute the land to the poor people. Okay, so that was the main reason. The next, what is the given in the sense, next problem, the government decided to continue in the war. Yes, which war? World War. Okay, in which war? World War. The government, decided to continue in the war. Is the government decided to continue in the war? No. So these two mistakes only they did. Okay, so here, what is given, so the frustrated peasants. So the frustrated peasants, the peasants got, they were upset totally. Okay, frustrated, what is the meaning? Upset. Okay, totally they were upset. Peasants as well as soldiers, they were deserted. Deserted, what is the meaning? Deserted in the sense neglected. Totally they were neglected. They were neglected their post and started to capture the land. Capture the land. I'm telling like that. In your book, what is given? Land grabbing, like that. Grabbing, what is the meaning in the sense? They were started to capture the lands because government did not distribute the land to the poor people. That's what, that peasants as well as the soldiers were upset and neglected their post and they started to capture the lands. Okay, so this intensified, what is the meaning in the sense? Increase. Okay, this increased the rising, what is that in the sense? Revolt. Okay, Purachi, rebellion in Petrograd led by Bolsheviks. Yes, led by Bolsheviks. So the government, banned Pravda. Pravda in the sense, what is that? That's a newspaper. Okay, Communist Party newspaper, Pravda, and arrested all Bolsheviks. Okay, so Trotsky also arrested, yes, by the government. Okay, so this much only it's given. Students, this is very important para. What are the things are given in the sense of slogan? Yes, slogan of Lenin. Okay, when the revolution broke out, when the revolution was started, he was in Switzerland. That's the first point. Yes, he wanted to continue. What was his thought in the sense? What he thought in the sense? He wanted to continue the revolution. Yes, he wanted to continue the revolution. Moreover, his slogan, what? All power to the Soviet. Soviet in the sense, council. Soviet in the sense, what is that? Council. It has consisted workers. All the powers should have. Who has to carry everything? Powers, everything. Laborers or workers only should have the power, like that he was telling. Okay, so this was very happy. Whoever was very happy in the sense, workers leaders, otherwise workers also was very happy. Moreover, that, one more slogan, by Lenin, bread, peace and land. Yes, so but bread, peace and land. Then two mistakes, they were made. One was they were postponed the decision on the demand for the redistribution of land. Second one, they were continued the war. Yes, first world war. So that's what, they totally, the peasants as well as soldiers were upset, and moreover they were neglected. Deserted, what is the meaning? Deserted, what is the meaning, children? Yes, they were neglected their post and started to capture the lands. Okay, this increase in the sense intensified, like that it is given. No, increase the rising in the sense revolt in Petrograd led by Bolsheviks. Okay, so Pravda also banned in the sense, what is that? Stopped, totally it was stopped, circulation was stopped. That's a newspaper of communist government, and arrested all Bolsheviks. So these are the things are given in your book. Then last, Trotsky was also arrested, like that it is given. Okay, the next what is given in the sense, next para also the essay only, take over by the Bolshevik party under the leadership of Lenin. It's very, very interesting. In October month, what happened in the sense, Lenin persuaded, he asked Bolshevik Central Committee to do something. He asked. Otherwise, in your book, persuaded meaning is given. No, what word is given? No, what is the meaning in the sense? Induce to do something. Okay, induce to do, instruct to do something. Okay, so that's the meaning. Okay, so persuaded the Bolshevik Central Committee to decide on the immediate revolution. So Trotsky, he prepared plan. Okay, detailed plan he prepared. First plan, November 7, the key government buildings, including the Winter Palace of the Tsar, the Prime Minister headquarters, were seized. What does mean by seized? Seized in the sense, what is that? Captured by the armed factory workers and revolutionary troops. Next, what happened in the sense, on 8th November, what happened in the sense, 1917, the new communist party, new communist government, they came into power in Russia. So head, who was the head of communist party, communist government in Russia in the sense, that time, it was Lenin, like that given. Okay, so the Bolshevik party was renamed as the Russian Communist Party. It's very, very important, children. Bolshevik party was renamed. One word answer. Yes, one word answer, children. It's very, very important. Bolshevik party, was renamed as the Russian Communist Party. So these two paragraphs you have to write which answer? 6-3 answer. 6-3. Yes, 6-3 answer. Okay, children. So that's two para in the sense, failure of the provisional government, that para, plus the next para, take over by the Bolshevik party under the Lenin's leadership. This both para you have to write for Roman letter 6-3. Okay, yes. Next, what is given in the sense in your book regarding the Lenin's, okay, Lenin's history it is given, is life history it is given. Okay, next, Lenin, one blue color box is there. In that, Lenin was born. When he was born in the sense, when did he born? Yes, 1870, near Middle Volga. Yes, to the educated parents. Yes, his parents, they were educated. Okay, he was influenced by the ideas of Karl Marx. Okay, so Lenin believed, how did he get the freedom? Through the mass action only, otherwise with the help of the people only we can get the freedom, we can achieve the freedom, like that he thought. Okay, so Lenin, he gained the support from the Bolshevik party. Yes, Bolshevik party, just before I said now Bolshevik party and Menshevik party, like that two types are there, two set of people are there in the Soviet or council. Okay, that's it has consisted the full whom? Yes, agricultural workers as well as the laborers. Yes, so finally Bolshevik party renamed as a communist government, like that I said just before. Is it, children? So the next what is given? Sorry, outcome of the revolution. It's interesting, children. This is not a question, but you can listen. Okay, it's very interesting, children. Outcome is outcome in the sense results of the revolution, results of the Russian Revolution. The Russian Communist Party eliminated. What does mean by eliminated? Reduced, abolished. Okay, so eliminated illiteracy and poverty in Russia within a short span of time, within a record time, like that given. I'm telling within a short span of time itself, Russian Communist Party eliminated illiteracy and poverty in Russia. Russian industries and agriculture were developed. Okay, so both the industry as well as agriculture was developed. Women, got a right, even, including right to vote, So industries and banks also were nationalized. So land was, it's very, very interesting, children. See, land was announced as a social property. So land was distributed to the poor peasants. Peasants in the sense farmers. Okay, so farmers, everybody, they got a land. Okay, so land. So Lenin thought that the most important factor for the fall of provisional government was its failure to withdraw. Okay, provisional government had a failure, how it failed in the sense because of the First World War, because we are in the First World War. So immediately he thought to withdraw from the First World War. That's what he signed the treaty. Yes, he signed the treaty. Yes, which treaty he signed? The first day or second day itself, I told Brest-Litovsk treaty, it was signed. Okay, Russia was signed Brest-Litovsk treaty with Germany. Okay, it has consisted harsh terms, even though he did not check anything, because he is going to form a new government. Yes, he is going to form a new government. That's what, in the year 1918, the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk was signed. Okay, Brest-Litovsk was signed with the Germany. Yes, with the Germany, it was consisted harsh terms like Treaty of Versailles. Okay, children. Yes, the last one, what is given, the outcome of the revolution, just before we checked, the last para is global influence. The world fully, by checking the revolution, by checking the Russian Revolution, the whole world, they learned something. What are the things they learned? Okay, the revolution fired. The Russian Revolution fired people's mind. Okay, fired the people's imagination. Fired in the sense here, what is the meaning? Motivated. Okay, the Russian Revolution motivated the people's imagination across the world. It motivated the imagination across the world. Many countries. Which party emerged in the sense? Communist Party. Communist Party is where emerged. The Russian Communist government. Many countries. What are the countries? Ethiopia, Afghanistan, Yugoslavia, East Germany, Congo, North Korea. So many countries were there. So in those countries and all, which party emerged after the completion of the Russian Revolution in the sense? The communist government was emerged. Communist party was emerged. Okay, so the Russian communist government encouraged the colonies. Okay, so we are also one of the, before that 1947, we are also under the control of the British. We are one of the colony of Britain, is it? So, it encouraged Russian Revolution. It encouraged the colonies to fight for their freedom. So, debates in the sense, what is the meaning? Or discussions. So many discussions were there over the issues. What are the issues are there at that time? Land reforms, social welfare, workers' rights, and gender equality. Okay, male, female, equal, like that. Gender equality, regarding that and debates, they were started taking place in a global context. Okay, so this para tells about the global influence of the Russian Revolution. And the next one, in the blue color box, it's given on this one already. I told the children, Pravda in the sense, that's a Russian word meaning truth. Okay, so this was the official newspaper of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union from 1918 to 1991. 1918 to 1991. Okay, so this much only, children. 6-3 alone, you can mark it. You can take your book, all of you. Page number where it is given, page number 10. Yes, page number 10. 6-3 alone, you can mark it. Failure of the provisional government. The first para full. Lenin was in Switzerland onwards till they were Trotsky was also arrested till that. Then take over by the Bolshevik party under Lenin's leadership, that were also till the end, that is Communist Party. 6-3 answer, I am telling children. 6-3 answer. Okay, so this is the homework. This is the only one essay. Yes, you have to learn and write it. Okay, learn and write, not in your rough note. Okay, you can take it, you have many long size note, no, take one note and then you have to write this essay. Yes, only one time enough, but learn and write. Okay, sit in front of the parents and then write it. Okay, children, we can meet in the next class. That time, I will teach League of Nations. Within that, that lesson will be over. Okay, thank you.